long before the storm. But you can hear the lion when he stalks his prey. He's moving like a shadow, creeping up on you. And like a siren's call, he's gonna have his way. You better run, forget your pride. Don't make a stand, just step aside. If you don't have what it takes, don't try to play, you'll lose your stakes. Remember this at least, it's the nature of the beast. It's the nature of the beast. You will hear a footstep coming up on you. Moving like a snake, he's in complete control. His killer knows his business, he's the predator. You are his only target, you're his only goal. What will you say, what will you do? Your wildest nightmares coming true. There is nothing you can say, no way to change, he won't delay. His cane will have